Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove followers on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove followers on TikTok, first we'll be required to open the TikTok app. And over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on your profile icon. And over here guys, all of your followers will be available on this interface where it says the followers. Just above the share profile button, you can see there are my 59 followers. Let's tap on it. And over here guys, in order to remove a follower on TikTok, you can see three dotted icon at the right side of each of these accounts. If you tap on that three dotted icon, you can see the remove this follower option will appear for each of these account. Let's tap on it, and let's tap on the remove this follower, and let's tap on remove, and then that follower will be removed from your TikTok account. And there guys, this is how to remove followers on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.